Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing an exhaust install on my Can-Am Renegade 1000 XMR. I'm not only going to do an install, but I'm going to do some revs of the motor. And I kind of hate some of the videos on YouTube because they just rev the motor and that's about it. I'm also going to include in this video me actually out ripping on it, like in kind of like the mud and the water and stuff, so you can hear what it's going to actually sound like when you're on the trail, not just when it's idling in a garage or something like that. So I'll get into that. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop your questions below. And if you like this, make sure you like and subscribe, because I'll put a bunch more riding videos. So I went with the big gun exhaust because it is cheaper than all the other exhausts. It's like $330 if I like spending like $500-600 on an RJWC, or you know, similar to an HMF, you know, you're dropping $600-700. I just wanted to get something cheap so I could freaking get some sound out of this Can-Am Renegade. Stock, it's pretty quiet, it's pretty restrictive. The exhaust, as you can see it there, it's ugly as hell too. And when you get it muddy, it starts to look terrible. It starts to look like decrepit. All right, so I went with the big gun exhaust, mainly for price. And I had the same exhaust on my Scrambler 850, and everybody complains. They're like, oh, you got to put new baffles in it, blah blah blah. I don't really care if I have to put baffles in it, because I'm going to be riding in the mud, so it's not really a big deal. I'll let the baffle blow out and just let it be loud as hell. Alright, just took the exhaust out of the box and just give you guys a quick overview of it. This looks a lot better than the Big Gun XO that I got on my Scrambler, but probably because it's the stainless series, which I didn't know there's a difference. The welds look really nice. It looks like it's pretty easy to take the tip off and change stuff out if you want to change stuff out. I'm just going to leave it like it came. Welds look pretty good on this pipe. Well, not as good on this pipe, but they look cool. They look good. Hopefully this thing sounds good. It looks good for $330. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good.